Good morning, students, and welcome to our new English class. In this opportunity, we are going to develop one of the four skills in English. And what is this skill? It's the writing. Before to start with our lesson, I have a question for you. Did some of these experiences happen to you? Fall on the street, sleep in class, and be scared and run away. Did some of this happen to you? Could be, right? And how do you feel? How did you feel when this happened to you? Yes, you feel embarrassed, right? And in some cases, your face turned red. It means that today we are going to write about an embarrassing moment that happened to us or that happened to someone we know. Now we are going to work with our students' books on page 21. What's the instruction? It said, imagine you are the person in one of these pictures. Take notes to prepare to tell the story. Let's imagine that we are in one of these four situations. Throw up the coffee, blow up the washing machine, be scared, and lost the wallet. Let's imagine that we are in one of these situations. I prepared an example to guide you and to help you. Please, look at this. I choose this event. Throw up the coffee. And this is my writing. This is a short text. It says, it happened last year. I don't know why, but when I tried to take a pencil, I moved just a little the table and the coffee of my friend fell out on my student's notebook. I just smiled, but inside I wanted to cry. I have a question here. Is this text in present or in past? Yes, very good. This text is written in past. What does it mean? That we are going to use now in our writings, we are going to use past events, verbs in past, actions in past, using what? The simple past and the past continuous. Here I have other examples, as you can see. And in this text, we use the past continuous and the simple past too. Now, let's do this activity. It says, think an embarrassing moment that happened to you or someone. Answer the questions. We are going to think about an embarrassing moment that could happen to us or could happen to someone else, to our friend, to our sister, to our brother, anyone. Okay? And we are going to answer the next questions. The first one is, when did it happen? Where did it happen? Who was there? And why was it embarrassing? Here we have four questions. And here I am going to show you some answers. When did it happen? It happened when I was in high school, 14 years ago. Where did it happen? It happened in Saint Peña Avenue, in a girls' competition. Who was there? There were many girls of different schools and many people. And why was it embarrassing? This was embarrassing because when some friends were competing, one of them fell down in front of everybody. She just stood up very fast and tried to finish the performance. As you can see here, our answers have different colors and our questions have different colors too. Now, as I said before, we are going to get a writing part. We are going to form a text. It's going to be very easy to write, okay? Don't worry. Some of you can think that doing a writing is very difficult, but in this time, it's going to be very easy. Why? Because as you can see, here we have four different questions. What I am going to do with my answers? What do you think? I am going to leave them like that, or what am I going to do with all my answers? Very good. I am going to join all my answers to form a what? To form a text just like that. In this part, I form a writing. This is my text, and inside this text are my 4 sentences, my 4 answers. It's very easy doing a writing part. We just need to put in order our ideas, and we just to think about one of the situations. Okay, class, that was everything for today. Have a nice day and see you the next class. Goodbye and take care.